do a pretty cool form for you right here. Let me get my two actors out here. Come on out, two actors. Round of applause for them. Oh! We brought you the two most beautiful members of our troupe for this. That would be Jonathan and Brooke. I'm not involved in that. Can I get some house lights real quick, Dash? I'm going to actually need some brave soul who thinks that they want to be on stage. Oh, you, sir? Come on up. What's your name? Peter. Peter, come on up. Round of applause for Peter. Have a seat right here. And here's how this.
Which one?
Just right, anyone. So we're going to bring this microphone out here. Let's move this down for you, Peter. Go ahead and test that for me, Peter. Test it. Test the microphone.
1, 2, 3.
Why don't you put your face in the microphone?
Playing with it, right? 1, 2, 3.
Perfect, perfect. So, Peter, what we're going to do, we're going to play a game of sound effects. So the actors, we're very cheap here. We don't really have much of a budget, so you're going to make all the sounds for the actors, okay? So, if Jonathan was going to open a creaky door, he's going to do that. You're going to make the sounds, and that would be like this. Excellent. Well done. Well done.
Very nice.
And if Brooke was going to fire a rifle, that would be like this. Nice. And if Jonathan was going to walk down a creaky hallway full of broken glass and ghosts and shake Brooke's hand, who is in a set of armor, that would be like... Perfect! Perfect. Well done, Peter. All right, so for these two here, I just need a location that can fit on this stage. Anywhere.
Bathroom.
What kind of bathroom? Where specifically?
Girls' bathroom.
Where?
Where? In France.
Okay, this is a girls' bathroom in France. In France. And Peter is going to be doing the sounds, and this is sound effects.
I look beautiful today, no? A little delayed action. I wanted immediate gratification.
This is the way Americans do things.
American.
Yeah. Yeah. Speed them down.
Yeah.
Sing. Go.
Yeah.
Go again.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's gonna sound now.
That's amazing. It's like a never-ending hole down there. Anyway,
Oh my
I'm
God.
not gonna let it distract me from exactly. I'm just doing a little light shaving. Weep.
I don't know, Stephanie. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it in France here.
No, you're right. No one does it in France.
Oh my God, this is so dirty. I'm gonna flush the toilet here. There you go. Oh look, it didn't go. I'm gonna do it again. There you go.
What did you eat last night, Pierre?
This French food, man, it's really bad.
It's like chickens coming out of there.
Let me see.
America.
The chicken is talking right now.
A ghost of a
And
chicken?
now it's doing chicken sounds.
Maybe I can use this razor
Let me
on
get
the
it.
chicken.
Chicken talk. There you go. It's a French chicken. Apparently it's very classic.
It's very hairy, no?
Okay, so use the shaving machine.
Yes. Oh.
It's a new shaving machine that turns on by
Sure,
itself.
let me turn it up to ultra.
You broke it.
Oh. Oh, no, it's slightly working. Yeah, it's slightly working.
No, the chicken's going crazy. Right away.
Oh, don't be scared, little chicken. Don't be scared. I think he likes me, no?
I think that's you. Go,
A little...
go, go, go. Woo! That's a very good sound, the shaving machine.
I think it massages the